Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Umul Qura Education System e-learning. It's your English lecture and I am your English teacher Anam. As you know that we have already discussed tenses in our previous videos. We have discussed complete indefinite tense and now we have also discussed present continuous tense. We will continue. So what is past continuous tense and where we have to use it? We will learn in this video when to use continuous tense, a temporary activity in the past. Something we have started and ended in the past, it's called past continuous tense. Temporary activity for very short time. A temporary activity in the past which was interrupted by short action. Something happened and we have started our activity. That's where we use our continuous tense. Here are few things which is good to know for ourselves when we are forming or learning about past continuous tense. Helping verb. Which helping verb will be used for singulars and which helping verb will be used for plurals? We will discuss here. We will use was for singular forms and were for plural forms. Or with singular nouns we will use was, or plural nouns we will use were. For example, here you can see I was, he was, she was, it was, or any singular noun we will use plural. For plurals we will use were. For example, we were, you were, they were, etc. Now move to the making, but before that we will discuss examples. Look at these sentences given below. I was talking on the phone. Obviously we use cell phone a lot, and when I say that I was talking on the phone, it may be in the morning or it may be before half an hour of this video I have posted. The next one is we were cooking dinner. We were cooking dinner. So cooking dinner, obviously we cook at the night time, so it may be yesterday or it may be day before yesterday. The next one, Ali was walking in the garden. Obviously everyone likes to walk, so he was walking in the garden in the past. These are the few examples of past continuous tense. Now we will move to the next one, how to form past continuous tense. Past continuous tense we are discussing here. Affirmative first. To form past continuous tense, I have already explained in my previous videos what is a subject, what is a helping verb, forms of verb. What are these things I have already discussed. Subject is the person who is working. Helping verb, I have already told you. First form of verb, every single action or everything you do is called verb. And what we do in to make it continuous, we will use ing with the first form of verb, and in the end it will come object. Here are few examples of affirmative sentences. I was working late. I, subject, was helping verb. Working, work, first form of verb, with ing it will become working late. The next one is you were talking too fast. Hopefully you're not talking about me. You, obviously subject, were, helping verb, talking, first form of verb with the ing, and fast, obviously you know about it. He was watching television. He, subject, was, helping verb, watching, first form of verb with ing, and television is an object. Now move to the next one. It's negative. Okay, now how to make past continuous negative? It's very easy. Same pattern as we have done in present continuous, same will be here. Subject will be same. Helping verb, was a verb, I have already told you. Only we will add not to make it negative. Okay, then first form of verb with ing, and in the last will be object. Here are few examples. I, subject, was, helping verb, not waiting for you, not to make it negative, and waiting, obviously it's your first form of verb with ing, for you. Next one is you were not looking for me, and the last one is he was not sleeping late. Now move to the next one. We have discussed affirmative, negative, and now we are moving to the past continuous tense in question or interrogative. Past continuous tense in question or interrogative, to make it question, we have to make just a slight change. The helping verb we are using, it will come at the first. As you can see here, helping verb, then subject, after that first form of verb with ing and object. Now move to the next one. Here are a few examples. Were, obviously you know, were we use for plural forms. So were we going in the right direction? The next one is, were you arriving by ferry? And the last one, was she eating her lunch? Hopefully it will be easy for you and you have understand it clearly. So thank you so much for giving me your time. Here are, if you have any question, you can mail us or you can visit our website. You can watch also my video on Qura YouTube channel. You can please follow us on Facebook also. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.